Okay, there's only two verses in it. So it's called Sea of Garn. It's used in a film, which I can't remember of it. It's an old Second World War film, and it's about the love of the mother to her child. Yeah, don't fall asleep. Well, you couldn't actually. It's a lullaby, isn't it? Okay. Brechiau mam sy'n dyn amdanad, cariad mam sydd dan fy nion. Ni chaeth dim am harithion tyn, ni na un ddyn a ddigam. Un a blentyn ar fy hunan fwy na ffron y fam. Gira ar y ddŵr, paid ag ofni ton bach unig, sia lan y môr. Hyn a blentyn, nid oes yma, ddim I roddi a ddigam. Gwyn a blentyn ar fy nwys, ar yr engil gwynion braw. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.